Hello, my name is Jim and I'm part of the Blindster.com product team, here to tell you about our exclusive, no tools, cordless blackout, single cellular shades. If you're looking for the easiest way to install a custom shade, this is it. Let me show you why our no tools feature makes installation a breeze. So there are two versions of this shade on our website with the same features, but with different installation methods. The standard version has brackets that are installed by pre-drilling holes in your window casing and then attaching the brackets with screws. With this no tools version, you'll instead use these proprietary peel and stick brackets that don't require any screws or any drilling. The brackets feature an extra strong adhesive to create a secure and permanent installation with 3 easy steps. Just peel, press, and then attach the shade into the brackets. It's a no-fuss, no-worry way to install your custom shades. The fabric on this shade is completely opaque, meaning no light will pass through the shade material. So when lowered, this shade will significantly darken the room, even from bright sunlight. This is where the term blackout comes from. This feature makes blackout shades popular for bedrooms, nurseries, TV rooms, or anywhere with strong outside light, be it from the sun in the daytime or from artificial light at night. Keep in mind that a small amount of indirect light may still be visible along the edges of the shade, but the room will still be quite dark. These shades feature a cordless lift system, which means that instead of the traditional pull cords, this shade is raised and lowered just by pushing up or pulling down on the handle. Mechanisms inside the PVC headrail hold the shade in place. With no dangling cords, these shades are child-safe and easy to operate. The cord-free design also provides an uncluttered appearance in the window. The last key feature of these shades is their insulating fabric design. The shade material is formed into honeycomb-shaped cells that trap air and form a buffer against outside air temperature. This helps maintain your inside air temperature throughout the year and lower your heating and cooling bills. And that's it for our no tools, cordless blackout, single cellular shades. Easy to install adhesive brackets, blackout fabric, and cordless lift all add up to a shade you're sure to love.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.